Hey cookie creators and lovers alike, I'm Gabby. Christmas shopping for the kiddos can be overwhelming with all the toys and technology available today. I like to give something that encourages creativity and has a little bit of sweetness. Today on the Cool Cookie Show, we're assembling creative cookie kits. For this project, you'll need 3 to 5 piping bags, gel food coloring, elastic bands, sprinkles, and little bags to store them in, and the most important part of all, the cookies. I'll leave the recipe link in the details below. You'll also need a box to deliver everything in. I found mine at the dollar store. I'll start by lining my cookie kit with parchment paper. Next, we'll bag our sprinkles. I like to add a lot of different shapes and textures in my kits, but there's no rules. Let's pack them up. For the icing in my kits, I include anywhere from 3 to 5 colors. For small hands, I find it's best to go with a soft piping consistency icing. I'll include the icing consistency video link as well as the icing recipe link in the details below. To fill the piping bag, hold the tip of the bag in your hand like an ice cream cone. Then fold the open part of the bag over your hand. Make sure you pull it open enough that we can get the icing right to the tip. Normally, I just use a spatula to fill the piping bag, but since you'll be using it as a tipless bag, I'm going to fill it with a knife to get right to the tip. Once it's full, let's flip the bag back over our hand and use the elastic to seal it up. For this kit, I made a sugar cookie house with a wintry theme and have a cute Happy Holiday snowman box. Sprinkles are all ready to go. If you won't be using the cookie kits right away, you should also bag up the cookies to keep them fresh. Since the house will need to be built, the 5th bag of icing will be stiff piping consistency icing. If you were to pick one of these sets to play with, which one would you pick and why? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe as well as the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. In the meantime, here are some other videos you may enjoy. Thanks so much for watching the Cool Cookie Show. Till next time, stay sweet.